So on the Ashridge website we've got Bareroot strawberries for sale. So we're just going to show you how they come and what to do with them when they arrive. So they'll come in plastic bags like that, with a label on, so you know what variety it is. So as soon as they arrive, pull them out. They should be nice and moist. So that's kind of what size they'll be. So you've got a nice crown on there and a nice root system, and they should be nice and white. So once they arrive, depending on what you want to do with them, they can be planted out straight in the garden. So if you've got a strawberry bed already prepared, plant them straight in the bed, give them a water and let them carry on doing what they're doing until spring. If you want to pot them up, so 9 centimetres is probably the best size to plant them into over winter until it's ready to plant in the spring if you haven't got the beds prepared or it's a bit too cold or whatever. So 9 centimetre pot, bit of compost. Doesn't matter if the roots won't fit, just kind of give them a quick wriggle, bit of compost in, give it a tap, and then a good drink. They can sit outside or they can sit in the cold greenhouse, a porch or a conservatory, and then in the spring the roots should have started rooting through into the compost, and then they can get, once you've prepared your strawberry bed or your pots or your planters or wherever you're going to plant them into, they can be planted straight in. Foliage will probably be about up like that. By the spring you'll have a nice plant and then they'll start to flower. Feed them Miracle Grow in the spring and that should start feeding them, and they should have lots of lovely strawberries in the bowl in the summer.